doing here? You trying to embarrass me at my brother's funeral?
And every family has sticky reunion situations. Some everybody thinks they can't talk about it, but everybody has those problems.
I don't know scene. You already made the damn scene.
So we try to put the team together to come up with ideas and suggestions on helping people avoid those situations.
So if there's a problem at your family reunion or funeral or other family get-together, the Family Reunion Institute can help you out with advice on handling those sticky reunion situations. Just log on to FamilyReunionInstitute.net. Send us an email telling us about the problem, and our reunion experts will offer you advice on how to resolve the conflict and also ideas about putting together or improving your family reunion in general.
FamilyReunionInstitute.net is our website where we help families learn what to do about their reunion. We try to encourage you and give you information on how to do a reunion, whether it's your first time or a multi-year reunion.
FamilyReunionInstitute.net. Even if people ask you a question by email, as I know you all respond, somebody from our committee will respond.
Dr. Ione Vargas founded the Family Reunion Institute after doing research that led her to visit dozens of family reunions all over the country.
I think I went to 100 family reunions all over the country.
So whatever the situation is, if you have one, send it to us. We'll come up with some ideas and suggestions on how you can fix it. But the whole idea of the website is to help you plan the best reunion ever.
So check it out, FamilyReunionInstitute.net.